Emotions are the heart and soul of the human experience. They color our world, shaping our perceptions, influencing our decisions, and guiding our interactions. Without emotions, life would be a flat, monochrome canvas, devoid of depth, vibrancy, and meaning. Imagine a world without the joy of love, the thrill of victory, or the comfort of compassion. It's through emotions that we truly connect with ourselves, others, and the world around us. Emotions are not merely fleeting feelings, they are complex psychophysiological experiences. They involve intricate interplay between our bodies, minds, and environments. They give us vital information about ourselves and our surroundings, signaling what is important to us and motivating us to take action. For example, fear alerts us to danger, prompting us to seek safety. Love fosters connection and belonging. Anger fuels us to address injustice. Emotions are essential for our survival and well-being. They have evolved over millennia to help us navigate the complexities of life, from basic needs like hunger and thirst to complex social interactions. Understanding emotions, their nuances, and their impact is crucial for living a fulfilling and meaningful life. By delving into the fascinating world of emotions, we can unlock a deeper understanding of ourselves and others. This journey of emotional discovery empowers us to cultivate emotional intelligence, fostering healthier relationships, greater resilience, and a more fulfilling life. The word emotion itself holds clues to its meaning. It originates from the Latin word emovere, meaning to move out, to agitate, or to excite. This etymology hints at the powerful way emotions can stir us into action, propelling us towards or away from certain people, situations, or experiences. Emotions are not merely mental phenomena, they are deeply intertwined with our physical selves. They manifest in our bodies through physiological changes, like a racing heart, sweaty palms, or a flushed face. These physical sensations are often the first signals of an emotional experience. Three key components work together to create the tapestry of emotions: bodily arousal, expressive behavior, and thoughts and feelings. Bodily arousal refers to the physiological changes that accompany emotions, such as changes in heart rate, breathing, and muscle tension. Expressive behaviors are the outward manifestations of our emotions, including facial expressions, body language, and tone of voice. Finally, thoughts and feelings are the subjective experiences of emotions. They encompass the labels we give our emotions, like happy, sad, or angry, and the accompanying thoughts and beliefs. Understanding these three components and how they interact is crucial for developing emotional intelligence. Over the centuries, scientists and philosophers have grappled with the complexities of emotions, developing various theories to explain how they arise and influence our behavior. Three prominent theories offer intriguing perspectives on this intricate process: the James Lange theory, the Cannon-Bard theory, and the Schachter-Singer theory. The James Lange theory, proposed by William James and Carl Lange, suggests that emotions are a direct result of physiological changes in the body. According to this theory, we don't tremble because we're afraid, we feel afraid because we tremble. In other words, our bodily response to a stimulus precedes the emotional experience. Conversely, the Cannon-Bard theory, proposed by Walter Cannon and Philip Bard, posits that physiological arousal and emotional experience occur simultaneously. They argued that the thalamus, a relay center in the brain, plays a crucial role in transmitting sensory information to both the body and the brain's emotional centers, leading to simultaneous physiological and emotional responses. The Schachter-Singer theory, also known as the two-factor theory of emotion, emphasizes the role of cognitive appraisal in shaping our emotional experiences. According to Stanley Schachter and Jerome Singer, physiological arousal provides the raw material for emotion, but our interpretation of that arousal determines the specific emotion we experience. In this view, we use contextual cues and our past experiences to label our arousal and give it emotional meaning. Section 4, the face-emotion connection, a two-way street. Our faces are not merely windows to our emotions, they actively shape our emotional experiences. The facial feedback hypothesis suggests that facial expressions can influence our feelings. In other words, smiling can actually make us feel happier, while frowning can induce feelings of sadness or anger. This intriguing phenomenon highlights the powerful connection between our bodies and minds. When we engage in a particular facial expression, even if forced, our facial muscles send feedback to our brains, influencing our emotional state. This feedback loop suggests that we can potentially regulate our emotions by consciously altering our facial expressions. Section 5. The fundamental feeling palette, basic emotions. While the human emotional spectrum is vast and nuanced, researchers have identified a core set of basic emotions that appear to be universal across cultures. These basic emotions are thought to be innate, biologically hardwired responses to fundamental life experiences. Paul Ekman, a pioneer in emotion research, identified 6 basic emotions: happiness, sadness, anger, fear, surprise, and disgust. These emotions are expressed through distinct facial expressions that are recognizable across cultures. Robert Plutchik, another prominent emotion researcher, proposed a model of 8 basic emotions: joy, trust, fear, surprise, sadness, anticipation, anger, and disgust. Plutchik's model arranges these emotions on a wheel, with emotions of similar valence, positive or negative, grouped together. He also suggests that emotions can combine to create more complex emotions like love, guilt, or shame. Understanding these basic emotions and their variations provides a foundation for navigating the complexities of human emotion. Section 6. Emotional well-being. The key to a flourishing life. Emotional well-being is not merely the absence of negative emotions, it's a state of flourishing characterized by positive emotions, healthy coping mechanisms, and fulfilling relationships. It's about feeling good, functioning effectively, and having the resilience to navigate life's challenges. Emotional well-being is essential for our overall health and happiness. It influences our physical health, our relationships, our work performance, and our sense of purpose and meaning in life. People with high emotional well-being tend to be more optimistic, resilient, and socially connected. They're better equipped to cope with stress, build strong relationships, and achieve their goals. Cultivating emotional well-being is an ongoing journey that involves developing self-awareness, managing stress, building resilience, and nurturing positive emotions. By prioritizing our emotional health, we invest in our overall well-being, paving the way for a more fulfilling and meaningful life.